thanks for coming by and checking out Pete Snakebite Kid again. As you can see, it's another beautiful spring day in Utah. Okay, you got me. This is Flagstaff, Arizona. Anyway, I wanted to give you another update on what's going on at the body shop. So what's going on now is I mentioned that they were going to take the body off the car to do the paint, and so the body is off of the car, as you can see here. What they're going to do is Jason's actually going to bring the car back to my house, which is really great. I don't know if you've ever had a car in the body shop, but there's Dusty and then there's body shop Dusty. So I'm going to have an opportunity to get that thing really detailed out so that when we get it back to the body shop and slip the body back on it, that thing's going to be sparkling top and bottom and ready to go. So that's really about it. The body and the chassis separated, chassis coming to my house, body getting primered soon, then it's going to get a cool red shiny paint. When I get this thing back together, you're going to see it, and I can't wait to see it.